In this final video, you learn how to assemble 4 table legs to a tabletop. This is the leg you learned to design in the second video, and this is the tabletop from the first video in this series. First, the leg and the thread have to be fused. Select the active body and then the thread while holding the Control key. Then go to Boolean operation in the Part Design workbench. Make sure it's set to Fuse and click on OK to apply. Now the leg and the thread are one solid, which can be assembled correctly later. Let's start with the assembly by selecting the Assembly Workbench. First click on the New Assembly button, and then on the Insert Component button. Click on Open File to select the models that you want to assemble. So select the leg and the table part while holding Control and open them. First, select the body of the table part, which is the tabletop. You have to save the assembly before you can continue. It will be saved as a separate assembly file. And you see the tabletop has been inserted into the assembly. The lock icon means it's grounded and cannot move. When you expand the Joints tab, you can see it. Click on the eye icon next to toggle the visibility of the lock icon. The same goes for the tabletop body, which you can hide. Now click on the body of the leg to insert it. A second object is not grounded automatically. Hold the Alt key with the left mouse button to drag the object to another position. Now insert a total of 4 table legs. And use the Alt key to drag them to other positions. Click on the eye icon next to the tabletop to make it visible again. First, select an edge on the tabletop. Hold the Control key and select this edge on the table leg. Instead of selecting the inside edge, it's better to select the outside edge. Before you can add joints, you have to click on OK to exit this menu. Select the 2 edges again while holding the Control key and apply a fixed joint. This joint will connect the selected edges to each other. Click on OK to apply this joint. Now do the same for the other table legs. Remember, you can drag objects by holding the Alt key. Now apply the final joint. You can also add an offset to a joint, but in this example, you can leave it at 0 millimeters. Click on OK to apply the joint. And the table is fully assembled now. Finally, let's have a look at the design tree. By clicking these eye icons, you can easily toggle the visibility of all parts. The same goes for all joints. Thanks for watching this video series, and don't forget to check out the other videos too. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.